Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And we have this is the biggest size. We have a smaller size of this. I think the length should be maybe 1.5 inch or so. So I prefer this big one because it has the decency to compel any thick fabric, white tacking, or knitting clothes. The smaller one of this one, usually break easily. That's why I don't, recommend making use of the smaller one. But for this one, I prefer this one because this one is very easy to use and it penetrates any thick fabric at all. So now I want to show you on how to pass thread. I notice that most people while passing thread inside a needle, as you can see, they just pass it once like this. They can add a bit of saliva so that it will slip in easily. I notice they pass thread like this, just once like this. And anytime they want to do the tacking, they do the tacking like they are making a knot. If you are tacking like this, I can assure you that whatever it is that you are tacking will not last long. And because this thread is not thick, it's not thick enough to withstand the pressure of moving the button to and fro. You don't tack like this and you do not or make a stopper like this. Let me show you the proper way on how to tack. The two side has to be what to be thick. So whatever it is that you're attacking, the thread you are making use of. As this O can contain two, three, four, or even five threads at a go. So yeah, I have just to enter in it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hand to straighten so as not to have any contour. So I'll straighten it to this point. I'll just cut this bit out. So instead of knotting or making the stopper just like the way I did the first time, what you're going to do is just hold it like this. So after making a circle with your hand, you draw it to the front, then draw it back to this here. Now that it is big, if I want to make it bigger again, I'll just make a circle, draw it to the front, and draw it back to this here. I have a bit of distance there, so I want everything to run.